It's time for another Brooklyn Music Factory Blam game, and we're about to play
Code Breakers.
This robot is transmitting a melody code. Check it out. His code consists of 3 pitches: low, middle, and high. It's our mission to listen and write down each melody code. We are going to be code breakers. You'll get 3 chances to listen for each round. Let's give it a go. Awesome job, let's go to the next round. You're crushing it, let's keep it going. Oh snap, one more round to go! And that's another Brooklyn Music Factory Blam level completed. Congratulations.